to my dear children of class 6. Today I shall be teaching you all a very short yet an important topic, that is the preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word placed before noun or a pronoun to show its relation with some other word in a sentence. Let me give an example to you all. I put my hand on the table. I put my hand on the table. If I leave out the word on, what would be the sentence? I put my hand table. So it does not make any sense. Therefore, I need to use the words like on, under, above in order to show the relationship between the hand and the table. Therefore, I use the word on. I put my hand on the table. So the word on here in the sentence is a preposition. Let me give you another example. The cow is in the field. The word here in is the preposition and it shows the relationship between the cow and the field. Where is the cow? The cow is in the field. So the preposition in over here, it shows the relationship between the cow and the field, or a noun and a noun. So preposition, we come to know from these two examples that it is a word like on, in, under, over, above. These are the words that are placed before noun or a pronoun that shows its relation with some other word in a sentence. This is a preposition. So children, this is the simplest explanation of this term preposition. Now we shall move ahead with kinds of prepositions. We shall do with different kinds of prepositions. Basically, there are three kinds of prepositions. One is preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction. So we will deal with it one by one, and these kinds of prepositions are very, very simple. So the first kind of preposition is preposition of time. So the first kind of preposition is preposition of time. It signifies a specific time, a particular time or a particular day, a month or a date, or any particular specific time in future. For example, his birthday is on 20th June. So look at the sentence. His birthday is on 20th June. So when is his birthday? On 20th June. So on here helps us to understand the particular time he was born. So here on is a preposition of time. On what time? On 20th June. Let me give you another example to clarify preposition of time. Example number 2. The shop closes at midnight. So look at the second example given here on the board. The shop closes at midnight. So when does the shop close? It gets closed at midnight. So whenever you get any hint of time, that can be taken as a preposition of time. So here in these two examples, on and at are prepositions of time. His birthday, when is his birthday? When is the time? On 20th June. On is the preposition of time. The shop closes at midnight. When does the shop close? It closes or it gets closed at midnight. So when you get the hint or when the sentence signifies the time, then it becomes the preposition of time. Now the second kind of preposition is preposition of place. Preposition of place refers refers to any particular place or in fact a position. Place refers to the position where the thing or where an object or any human being, they all are present. The position is being signified by this position, preposition of place. For example, the book is on the table. So look at here. Where is the book placed? The book is on the table. So here on is not used as preposition of time, but here on is used as preposition of place because it gives us the hint of the place or the position, especially the place. So the book is on the table. Where is the book? On the table. So on becomes the place, preposition of place. We shall meet at Mall's gate. So look at the second example. We shall meet at Mall's gate. At here is preposition of place because where shall we meet? Particularly in a place that is Mall's gate. So here at becomes preposition of place. And third one is very simple. The third kind of preposition, that is preposition of direction. The third kind of preposition is the preposition of direction that refers to the movement that is to and from. The movement that takes from one place to another, or whenever you come to know about the moving or the movement of any object or anything or any person, that movement can be termed as the preposition of direction. Towards which direction does the object or the person move? That is the preposition of direction. To be more, to be more clarified, I will give you one example. He ran across the road. So where is he running to and from? Across the road, from one end to another. What is the movement? That is, he is running across the road. So across here becomes the preposition of direction. So here across is the preposition of direction. And the another example I would like to give you all is, we came down the hill. So where are we heading towards? Down the hill. So it signifies the movement. So here we came down the hill. So down is the preposition of direction. So preposition of direction includes, as you see in the textbook, back, over, behind, then down, through, to, towards. So whenever you get to see the movement or direction, that becomes the preposition of direction. So children, basically these are the three simplest kinds of prepositions. First one, preposition of time. The preposition that gives us talks about the time, that is preposition of time. The second one is preposition of place. The preposition that talks about the place or position. For instance, the book is on the table. That this is the position. So this is the preposition of place. And final kind of preposition, as we have already discussed, that is preposition of direction. That is the movement. So whenever you get to know about the movement, the preposition that signifies the movement, down, over, towards, behind, under, those are the prepositions of direction. So children, in this particular class, I have explained you all in a very simplest form, in a very simplest method, what is a preposition, and basically these three kinds of preposition. First one, preposition of time, preposition of place, and the direction. So I implore you all to just have a look at the chapter preposition you have in your textbook and go through the definitions and the examples thoroughly, and later on in the next video we shall discuss about the exercises related to this topic, preposition. For now, this much we shall discuss, and we shall discuss some more topics in further days to come. Thank you very much.